It is morning. Lara and Emma are in their classroom. They want to talk to their teacher about homework and ask for help.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Lyra. Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. We are fine. Thank you. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking.
Teacher, may I ask you something?
Yes, Lyra. Of course. What do you want to ask?
I do not understand my homework.
That is okay. Which part do you not understand?
I do not understand this math question.
Let me see your notebook.
Here is my notebook, teacher.
Okay. This question is about addition. You have to add these two numbers.
Oh, I understand now. Teacher, can you explain it one more time?
Yes, Emma. I will explain it slowly.
Thank you, teacher.
First, look at the numbers. Then count them together.
Okay, teacher. Now I understand. Teacher, can I ask about today's homework?
Yes, you can.
What is our homework for today?
You have to complete your English worksheet and read one story.
Do we have to write the answers in our notebook?
Yes, write the answers neatly in your notebook.
How many pages do we have to write?
Only 2 pages.
Okay, teacher. I will complete it. Teacher, when do we have to submit the homework?
Please bring it tomorrow morning.
Okay, teacher. We will bring it tomorrow. Thank you for helping me, teacher.
You are welcome, Lyra.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You are welcome, Emma. Always ask questions when you do not understand something.
Yes, teacher. I will ask for help when I need it.
Good. Asking questions helps you learn better.
We will remember that. Thank you, teacher. Have a nice day.
You are welcome. Have a nice day, girls.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Lyra and Emma learned that talking politely with a teacher is easy. We should always greet our teachers, ask questions politely, and say thank you.